A silent server farm in Virginia. A 27-year-old analyst, let's call him Peter, is staring at a screen that tells him the world just ended. He isn't looking at a war or a virus, he's looking at a liquidity ghost. $1.2 trillion in assets, money that people used to buy homes, pensions, and roasted peacocks, is about to become worth exactly zero. The detonator is already live, and nobody has a transition. By the end of this video, you'll understand the magic trick that built your bank account and why the people who built the bomb are the only ones with parachutes. We're going to look at the sausages Wall Street is feeding you and why, in 2025, being rich just means you're holding a bigger bag of stinking shit. Wealth used to be loud. In 2000 BC Egypt, you were a nomarch who owned the land and the people, but your wealth was conditional. If the Nile didn't rise 16 cubits, the pharaoh didn't just fire you, he erased your name from history. In Rome, looking rich made you a target for the emperor's informers. Today, the goal is stealth wealth, wearing a $4,000 grey hoodie to look unemployed, because in 2025, attention is a lawsuit waiting to happen. At $11 trillion in a single afternoon, it starts with a lie. Banks take toxic debts, loans given to people with no jobs and no assets, and grind them together. They call it a mortgage-backed security. It's a sausage. They slap a AAA label on it and tell pension funds it's as safe as gold. But when one tile falls, the whole floor goes. We use weather forecasts for money called VR models that tell us we're safe 99% of the time, but they forget about the 1% hurricane that liquefies your insides. When the music stops, loyalty expires. The firm doesn't care about your 19 years of service. They'll cut your badge and hand you a cardboard box before you can finish your coffee. The golden boys of Wall Street will call their best friends and college roommates to sell them worthless paper just to get a $1.4 million bonus. Because at the end of the day, it's just made-up pieces of paper with pictures on them so we don't kill each other for food. It's a cycle that never stops, we just react.